Knight. He is a gaily bed knight, a gallant knight, and he's in the sunshine and in shadows, and he's journeying a long time. And he's in search. No, you're still over here.
Done.
You're searching for El Dorado, but you're growing old. You're growing old, and you're so bold. And you get really sad because you cannot find any land that looks like El Dorado. Look. Look. Do you see El Dorado? You're so sad you cannot find El Dorado. And then you come across a shadow. Come here. Come up to the shadow as you're looking for El Dorado. And you say, to the shadow, where can, he says, shadow,
Where can it be?
no, stay against it. Where can this land be, Shadow? And Shadow says, over there.
Right over there. This way.
So, wait, no, get on the hill. All right, hold down and dry.
Yay!
Did you find? Okay, so this whole poem, give me that. We're not recording without permission, so give me that. Okay, this whole poem is about a guy searching for El Dorado. He can't find it, so he just